have a nice bed of carrots sown for fall, and I am going to show you how to thin. Thinning seedlings is totally essential for growing from seed because you have to give plants enough root space to grow properly and mature fully. Carrots, we sow pretty thick because sometimes they come up unevenly and slowly, and so I have them all sown pretty close, about an inch apart, and ultimately we'll want them spaced about 2 inches apart. These are baby carrots, so they don't need a ton of space. So initially, the first thinning, I'm only going to take out every other seedling to give them space. I thin them out by half the first time I thin, and then when they get a little bigger, I'll go through and thin them again to their final spacing. Thinning is really essential to give enough root space. If your carrots are too close together, then the roots can't get to their full size. They'll end up winding around each other and they'll just be really puny and they won't taste good. Okay, so I'm done thinning my carrot bed. I have thinned out the seedlings by half, so I took out about every other one to give them even spacing, and so that gives room for more to germinate if more are going to come up. Sometimes they germinate unevenly, and so more will come up later on. And I didn't thin to my final spacing, so just in case we lose any to critters, which we have a lot of, we'll have plenty to grow on. So we'll revisit this bed when they're a little bigger and we'll do our final spacing. We are revisiting our carrot patch here, and earlier I had done our initial thinning of carrots where I thinned out the stand of seedlings by about half. This gives the seedlings room to fill in, and it also, by thinning out just by half, it gives you enough seedlings to where if a snail comes marching through, you'll still have enough seedlings to grow on. So this is about 3 weeks later, and so I think all the carrots that have germinated are going to germinate. So we will go ahead and do our final thinning today. And my packet instructions say that the final spacing is 2 inches apart. So I have my ruler, and I have taken all my staples off the edge of my bird netting to undo it. It's pretty easy. I just lay my ruler down and thin to 2 inches apart by just pulling them out. This helps our carrots have enough space to mature well and get to their full size without being stunted. So I finished thinning our carrot bed to a full 2 inches, and these are our baby carrots. So when you read the packet back, you will see the final thinning is to 2 inches, and it's vital to always read your packet back because different varieties of carrots require different spacing. Carrots that grow larger need up to 4 inches of spacing, so always remember to read your packet back for the final thinning that you will need. Renee's Garden Seeds has many varieties of carrots that you can buy online at reneesgarden.com. Thanks for watching.